Salesman and Brokerwise reporting in Busy. This presentation will give you an overview on using Salesman and Brokerwise reporting feature in Busy. Salesman and Broker are those entities through which you deal and make sale purchase transactions and in turn pay commission or brokerage to them. This feature is fully configurable in Busy. In fact, you can change captions for these also, like you can use the term salesman and commission, broker and brokerage, or any other such term you give to such entities, and accordingly generate reports also with these names. To enable this feature, click Administration, Configuration, Features Options, Accounts tab. In the Accounts tab, enable the option of Salesman Brokerwise reporting. Click Configure button to configure the Salesman Brokerwise configuration. Here first of all you need to specify the caption for salesman, broker and commission or brokerage. Here we have taken the terms as broker and brokerage. Now a broker master will start appearing in the list of masters menu. Similarly, if you have taken the name as salesman, then a salesman master will start appearing in the list of masters. Next, you need to specify the commission brokerage to be applied at, that is voucher level or item level. If you select the voucher level option, then you can specify the brokerage rate or amount to be applied on all the items of the bill. That is, you can specify a single broker and a single brokerage rate for all the items of the voucher. If you take item level option, then you can specify separate broker and brokerage rate or amount for each item of the voucher. That is, for example, if you have 5 items in a bill, then you can specify 5 different brokers and different brokerage rate in single bill. Next, enable in sale purchase, that is, you want to enable this feature for sale voucher, purchase voucher or both the vouchers. Next is enable in payment receipt, that is, you want to enable this feature for payment receipt or both the vouchers. And enable commission brokerage in all accounts except cashbank. Other than cashbank, you want to enable commission brokerage in all other accounts to be used in payment and receipt voucher. Specify default commission brokerage. Specify Y in this data field if you want to specify default brokerage rate and mode to be followed during data entry. Here first of all you need to specify the default brokerage rate will be picked from salesman, broker master, party master or as specified below. If you choose as specified below option, then you can specify here in the configuration only that what will be the mode and rate of brokerage. First option is percentage, that is a percentage of bill amount. Lump sum amount, you want to specify a wholesome amount which will be taken as brokerage amount. Next is per main quantity, that is you want to specify the brokerage rate as per the quantity sold or purchased. And commission brokerage rate, here you can specify the percentage in case you have chosen percentage option, or a wholesome lump sum amount or amount which will be applied to per main quantity and will be multiplied by total quantity of the bill. Next is separate commission brokerage in each voucher. Enable this option if you want to specify separate broker and brokerage details with each voucher. If you disable this option, then default brokerage details as you have specified in the configuration or broker master or party master will be picked during data entry. Post commission brokerage in accounts. Enable this option if you want to maintain accounting part also, that is commission or brokerage will be posted automatically in accounts. Click save button to save the configuration. Now as we have taken the caption as broker, you can see on the screen that broker master has started appearing in the list of master. Now here first of all we will create a new broker master. We have created a new broker master with the name Arjun Sharma, and now we will specify his address, telephone number, mobile number, email ID. Next, specify default brokerage details. If you specify Y in this data field, then you can specify the default brokerage details for this voucher. An important point to note here is that default brokerage rate are being asked in broker master because in configuration we have specified that default brokerage details are to be picked from broker master. Here first of all we have taken the brokerage mode as percentage, then brokerage rate as 2% and freeze brokerage. That is, if you specify Y in this data field, then this rate of brokerage will be freezed or fixed for this broker. You cannot change this during data entry. Next, broker account to be credited. Here we have already created a broker account, broker Arjun account, so we can choose that this account will be credited. Brokerage debit mode, that is brokerage debit mode you want to specify here, or brokerage amount will be adjusted in sales account or party account. If you select specify account here, then you need to specify the account which will be debited for brokerage. Here we have taken the account as a commission on sales. Click save button to save the broker master. Next we will create an account master. Here we are creating an account for our party Mittal and Sons, and we have taken its group as sundry debtors. On saving the account master, a broker details window appeared in which you will specify default broker as yes and specify a broker name. That is, the broker name you will specify here will be tagged with this party. Here we have taken the broker as Arjun Sharma. That is, whatever transactions we will do with Mittal and Sons, the broker Arjun Sharma will be used. Here freeze broker option is appearing. If you specify Y in this data field, then you cannot specify any other broker other than Arjun Sharma with this party. However, if you specify no in this option, then you can change the broker during data entry also. Here you can see brokerage detail box is appearing in disabled mode. This is because we have specified that default brokerage details will be picked from broker master and not from party master. Click save button to save the account master. Next we will enter a sales voucher. Enter details related to the header of the sales voucher. Here we have taken the party as Mittal and Sons. Now we have selected the item as golden Sela rice and we have sold 100 kgs at the rate of 50 per kg. Next we have taken basmati rice 100 kg at the rate of 100 per kg. On saving the voucher, a broker details window appeared in which by default broker Arjun Sharma is appearing and default percentage is appearing as 2%. This is because we have tagged Arjun Sharma with Mittal and Sons and we have specified the default brokerage percent as 2%. However, if you wish, you can change this broker. On the screen you can see we have taken the broker as Ramesh Sharma and we have changed the brokerage percent to 3%. Click save button to save the voucher. Next we will view display brokerage calculation report for one broker, that is Ramesh Sharma. On the screen you can see the details, that is, through Ramesh Sharma a sale has been made to Mittal and Sons in which brokerage at the rate of 3% is paid. In the day book you can also see the full details like Mittal and Sons is debited with 15,000, sales account credited with 15,000, broker Ramesh account is credited with 450 rupees and commission on sales account is debited with 450 rupees. Next we will go to configuration, features, options, account tab, Salesman Brokerwise reporting configuration. Now we will disable the option of post commission brokerage in account. On disabling this option, automatically posting of brokerage or commission in accounts will not be done. You have to do it manually. Again we will enter a sales voucher. Enter details related to the header of the sales voucher. Here we have taken the party as Mittal and Sons and have sold golden Sela rice 100 kg at the rate of 50 per kg and basmati rice 100 kgs at the rate of 100 per kg. Click save button to save the voucher. On saving the voucher, broker details window appeared in which we have taken the broker as Arjun Sharma and have specified the percentage as 2%. Now if we will have a look at the display brokerage calculation one broker, that is Arjun Sharma's report. Here you can see all the details are appearing and at the bottom of the report F4 post brokerage voucher caption is appearing. That is, you can post brokerage amount by using F4 key. On pressing the F4 key, a generate brokerage voucher window appeared in which you have to specify the brokerage payable on sale account and a journal voucher will be posted automatically for the brokerage amount paid. Now if you have a look at the day book, then here it is showing broker Arjun account is credited with 300 rupees and commission on sale account is debited with 300 rupees. Next we will have a look at the outstanding analysis bills receivable report. Here also you can apply a filter on the broker, that is, you want to view bills receivable view with a particular broker or for all the brokers. That is, here we are viewing the report for Mittal and Sons and Arjun Sharma broker. So on screen Busy has shown the details of bills receivable from Mittal and Sons for the sale made through broker Arjun Sharma. If you want, you can view Brokerwise receivable also. Here in the Brokerwise receivable report, if we are viewing it for broker Arjun Sharma, then it is displaying on the screen that 15,000 amount is pending from the party Mittal and Sons. Till now we have applied brokerage at the voucher level. Next we will discuss the brokerage to be applied at item level. This is useful in certain types of cases where each item has different broker and brokerage rate with it. We have taken another company, Pooja Sarees. Here in the configuration part you can see, that is by going to administration, configuration, features options, accounts tab, Salesman Brokerwise reporting configuration. Here we have taken the commission brokerage to be applied at as item level, that is brokerage will be applied at item level, and we have taken the captions as salesman and commission. Now we will create an item master. First of all, we are creating an item for cotton sarees. On saving the item, a Salesman Details window appeared in which we have specified the salesman name as Kamal Nath. Next, we have created another item with the name Silk Sarees. In the Salesman Details, we have tagged the salesman Anil Singh with this item. Third item we are creating for synthetic sarees. In the Salesman Details window, we are not tagging any salesman with this item. Next, we will enter a sales voucher, enter details related to the header of the sales voucher. First of all, we have selected the item as cotton sarees, and on pressing the enter key on amount field, a salesman details window appeared which is showing the salesman as Kamal Nath and commission details as 2%. Next, we have taken silk sarees. On pressing enter key on the amount field, in the salesman details window you can see the salesman as Anil Singh. Next, we have taken the item as synthetic sarees. On pressing enter key on the amount field, salesman details window appeared which is showing salesman name as Anil Singh. Although we have not specified any salesman with this item, but Busy has repeated the salesman taken in the previous item. That is, if no salesman is tagged with an item, then that salesman specified with the previous item in the bill will appear in this. By going to display commission calculation report, you can view the report also in salesman wise, that is for each salesman a column is appearing and the commission paid to him. You can also view the report item wise. Here a column appeared for item names and the commission paid for each item is displayed in the report. Hope after going through this presentation you would be able to easily use Salesman Brokerwise reporting feature in Busy. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.